Hey there, welcome back to Hammer's Garage. Hey listen, before we get started today, if you'll look right down below, you'll see a subscribe button. And if you click that, you'll be part of the Cool Guys Club. I'll chill here for a minute and give you time to do that. So we have a lot of rear suspension work that we want to get done on a Winston here. And even though it's not necessary, it's going to be a lot easier if we get the bed off. So in this video, that's what we're going to do. We're going to see about getting this bed off. I think the lesson here is don't use your truck bed as a landfill. Alrighty then. Okay, it looks like we have 4 bolts at the front of the bed to get and 4 at the back of the bed to get. First thing we got to do is get all these creepy killer spiders out from under here. I hate spiders. Pretty sure they're all out to kill me. I think if I miss one and it lands on me, I may very well have a coronary. Let's spray some spidey stuff under here. All right, that'll get ya. Get gone. Get out of here, you creeps. I think I'll just keep this handy. Now we need to hit all these bolts with some peanut butter. I think we got one over here. Yeah. We'll get this side. And we'll disconnect this axle vent tube. Now we got to disconnect this pigtail for the lighting. Whoops. Oh, well, that's okay. Now we're going to take Senior, You're Coming Off or Else, with this swirly thingy here and get these bolts out. You're coming off or else. Yeah. Oh no. Looks like we're going to have to get the death wheel after that one or something. Well, if you're not going to come out the easy way, then you face the death wheel. Yeah, so I don't really recommend this approach. Little death wheel. Yeah, I'm not sure this was the best tactic either. If y'all have good ideas for how you get out rusted on bed bolts, drop that down in the comments for me, would you? Well, now I'm just waiting for my buddy Ryan to get here and help me and James lift this bed off. Oh, there he is. Should be nothing to it, man. Lift up on it. On this side, let me see. see them. Oh.
Oh, that whole thing that runs to the gas tank.
Yeah. Completely overlooked disconnecting the fuel filler. 3 screws, good to go. That, if we just undo that, the whole thing should come up. Yep, there it goes. Okay. Back. Over. Let's scoot it up more. This way. Perfect. Nothing to it. There's a lot of creatures living in this. Well, I'm about to evict you all. You gotta go. Get out. Move on somewhere else. That's it. End of story. That's going to do it for this video. But we'll see you real soon when we do the rear suspension on here. Oh, and hey, thanks for watching Hammer's Garage. Creatures got to go.